Today I'm going to be changing out the fuel filter on my 2005 Mercury 4-stroke 90 horsepower. What you're going to want to do, take this, it's not an emblem, it's actually a lever. Flip that up, come around this side, another lever there. So once those are removed, take the cover off, set it aside. So with the cover off, you'll want to come around the side, and right here is where your fuel filter will be. Turn it clockwise. So get that out. Beware it's full of fuel. I don't know when this has been changed last. I ordered a Quicksilver replacement on Amazon. As you can see, it is full of fuel. To dump that out somewhere. Just gonna set it aside for now. So it doesn't tip over. And here's my replacement part, Quicksilver 35 8M016889 7. This is what it looks like. And the current one doesn't look so high. All you do is pull down, it pops out. It's full of fuel again. Set it somewhere so we can replace it. Here's a new one. Should just pop back in. Check the O-ring on it. Pop it in. Oops. Get seating in very well. Identical to the other one. Try it again. Try it off camera. When you're seating it, just use two hands to try to do it as vertical as you can. Speaking of vertical, lower your motor down so it's pretty level. Makes life easier. You're not reaching way up here to do it on an angle. Then just going to dump out that fuel into the fuel tank, stick it back on, put the cover back on, reverse order. Good to go. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video.